Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey and the playlist is Quizland. So in this quiz it is 7th quiz and the 7th quiz I am dedicating this for patterns. So here 1 to 10 patterns, different types of patterns will be there. What you have to do is code is there already. You have to decode what is the pattern. Your work is that. So without wasting much time, let's start the quiz. So already I have given this, I guess you have read this 10 benefits of the quiz. So what I'm saying is 10 patterns will be there. Each and every pattern you have to decode what exactly the pattern we are going to get. Yes, so what you have to do, you have to trace the code. So if you can do this, I guess if you can solve this, it means you are really good with, you are having a good understanding about conditional statements and iterative statements. So let's begin. So this is what first question. So in this first question, what I'm doing here is simply one for loop I have taken and then I'm just printing it star pattern. So you have to tell me what kind of star I will get. You know, range function also. You know, it has three parameters n0 -1. So try to keep your pen, put your pen on the book and start thinking. This is the first question. Okay. So if you know about the range, if you know about multiplication of a integer and a string, how it will be, then definitely you can do this. Yes. So take this as a challenge. Try by yourself. Do not ask to your friends also. First is first you tried. Okay. So let's go with the second one. Second question is little bit more addition. So what I have done here is some more expressions I have added here. Okay, so 2 into I minus 1. So I wanted you just pause the video, start working, start giving some, yeah, inputs to your brain, give some work to your brain, think logically how it will be. You know the syntax, you know the working of each and every keywords. It is not new to you. This is in the Python itself. Try to think what kind of pattern we are going to get on this. This is second one. Let's go with the third one. Third one. So third one is little more addition. I have added one more for loop here. Okay. So you should be very quick. For example, 2 to 3 minutes for a time. Like at least if you can able to think within a 2 to 3 minutes of a exact pattern how it will be, that will be helpful. Yes, what kind of pattern it can be, like here I have spaces and then here star and that to two for loops. Yeah, think about this. Now this is about third question. Let's go with the next one. Fourth question. So this both questions are not same. See here it is space and here it is star. So fourth question is bit different. Try to do by yourself. Think about this. N is equal to 5. So whenever we are keeping in a range n plus 1, it will take only till 1 less than that. That is the reason I have kept here n plus 1. Yeah. So this is what fourth question. Let's go with the fifth one. So fifth one is, yes, it is my name itself, Pandey, but you have to find out in what order or what is the pattern we are getting with this Pandey. Okay, so here I'm taking length and then how many loops I have used, one two loops, and then if and else conditions. One is for to print stars. Yeah, so what is this else is doing, what is this if is doing, how it is printing, which kind of pattern I can able to get. Those things you need to start working on. So maybe it may take a lot of time, but yes, once you get it now, you will get a feel that you have done something. Yes, so it may be a half an hour or maybe more than that. Then stick to it. Try to understand things, each and every word, lines. So this is about fifth question. Pause the video, try it, not getting, understand. Even you're not understanding, ask your friends, or else if I am in the class you can ask me. So definitely you will get some clue. Okay, total code is here. We are not asking you to write the code. Okay, so you don't need to write the code. Yeah, fifth one is done. Sixth one, here is the sixth one. Sixth one, yes, it is somewhat bigger because n value I have given 7. So go with 1, 2, 3 to 4 and try to analyze what kind of pattern it is giving me at the end. Okay, so just pause the video and try to solve it. So these things are not new to you. This looping statements we have learned, nested loops we have learned, conditional statements we have learned, and or we know, relational operators it is. Yes, everything we know. The only thing is we have not implemented in a larger scale. So now it is the right time. I wanted you all to try this. Yes. And the seventh one. Here it is the seventh one. Here again I'm trying to print some pattern here also. So two nested loops, two loops, and then condition else, pause the video, try it. I'm sure you will get it. So here or condition or I have given here. Done. Now this is the eighth one. So in this some more things I have added like n floor division by 2 and then this conditions. So it is a star pattern here, like if this condition is true. So in order to do this I wanted you all to imagine that rows and columns. Yeah, for loop, the external for loop is what? Rows. Like inner one is columns. How they are very like how they are different. So draw the pattern first. You should get an imagination. Rows and columns, how they are suitable, I and J. Then you may try it. Yes. So ninth one is this. Yes, in this also for loop is a nested for loop, if else. Very simple code it is. J equal to I if both are equal, or J is equal to n minus I minus 1. In this case we are printing star or else spaces. Yeah. And this print, why we have written this print, so that for the new line we need to go. So this is what ninth question. Okay, let's go with the next one. Yes, so 10th one should be hard and should be a bit complex. For every quiz, I'm giving the 10th or ninth and 10th a bit more complex. So here also the same thing happened. 10th question, and in this 10th question, how many loops we have? One external loop is one, and then two here, one, two. So these are the loops and conditions, again, same thing. So everywhere you will find the looping, the conditional, the operators, all these things. So that is the reason I'm always keep on saying be perfect in them. Definitely you can do miracles with this. You can solve many problems. Your brain start working on problem solving if you know the proper, not only working, proper utilization of this, how to use, what is the working of it. So please pause the video and try to find the answer of this. Fine. Let's go with the next one. So that's it guys. 10 questions are enough. If you are done with this, then I can say that you are very good. Means you can rate to yourself in the patterns like yeah, above above 7 or 8. Yes. And these are the answers. This is the first answer, second one, and third pattern. So I have also given the patterns like answer key we can say. And here it is 4 is done, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the last one is this 10. Okay, fine. Now, yeah, as usual, like I'm taking a bit of effort for you all. So I wanted you to join as a family here by subscribing and liking my efforts. And then, yes, so I wanted you to be the part of the family, guys. That's it. So thank you for watching. We'll meet again in the next quiz. Till then, take care, guys. Thank you.